Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Friday Phoenix here today, and we are going to be playing some Teams of 20. So you guys don't have to wait, I'm going to see you when we get on the battle bus. And I am back. We're going to be going Pleasant Park, picking a couple pieces of loot, and then we're going to be rushing to the enemy side and trying to get a couple kills. This is taking me a lot of trials and errors, and I've done about 4 videos and they haven't been good enough, so I hope this one's good enough. Please could you go and subscribe to my cousin, Friendly Gaming. She really needs the subscribers. And please feel free to comment down below any suggestions on what I should do next on Fortnite Battle Royale, like challenges or anything. To be honest, I'm sort of liking the setup which I have right now, so boys, we're rolling into battle. Wow, he ditched me. Let's see if this guy wants to get on. Does he? I think this is a noob, guys. Let's go into battle. I feel really sorry for this guy if I get him killed. Nah, who cares? So something pink in there, and I'm not too sure what it was. Oh, it's the lights. Alright, if I get band-aids from this, I will go and grab those band-aids. I really shouldn't have said that. And I'm going to go and grab that pistol because I see. Stop. Shouldn't have done that one. Yeah, this guy just doesn't want me Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna stay in here. I'm gonna get rid of all. Guys, they just got sniped. Guys, I'm not going to be wasting my materials on them. They can have their childish ways, to be honest. I will see you guys when we get into a little bit of action. Hey guys, we are back and we have a little bit of action. Not that much, but still. I hope I'm alright. Alright. I get really worried when I have that. Oh, there we go, guys. My thingy wasn't playing up then. That's just literally just a... No, it's a 5-1 and a 3. Guys, I think we might win this. Really nice dub. He's gonna get that reaction, isn't he? Maybe not. I guess I'll take it then. 4. This guy must have just died with that. To be honest, I just don't feel like being a douche. So, and we're gonna get the dub, and we're either gonna get it together, or we won't get the dub. So I'm just gonna go around resin everybody. I don't know what that bear is doing over there, but it's just trying to keep everybody in. And I can see the last guy that guys. Oh guys, let's go! We got that fresh no scope. GG guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!